I'm not immune to these stupid assholes. What is going on, guys? This is your boy Lewis, aka Kumatata for my gaming peoples, and welcome to Wrenchettes. Now, I wasn't gonna make this video about this because I don't want to put like negativity out there, but just to remind you guys of the struggles that we all go through in this life, you know, just to show that, hey, you're not the only one. I'm going through this as well, especially me for some reason. Well, as the title says, I think somebody broke into my Infiniti G35. Now, I have 3 reasons why I think this is true. Because I didn't find, you know, I'm not a detective. I didn't find anything actually stolen, which is weird, but something out of place. Now, when I got into this car, I was gonna do an oil change to the Mule, the black Lincoln Equity that I use rideshare, and soon to be for limo. I went to get the oil and the oil filter from the trunk of the Infiniti because I went to AutoZone on the Infiniti and I bought it and I put it in the trunk because I only have the broken intake and the original rugs in the back. So when I went to open the trunk with the key fob, it doesn't work, right? I'm like, that's odd. So then when I went to get the switch down here, it still doesn't work. I'm like, okay, maybe I'm gonna look up on YouTube. And then they said there's another switch in the glove compartment. So I checked that and it was in the on position. So I was like, okay, that's fine too. So maybe I blew the fuse. So then I opened the hood, and that's where things got naughty. Now, I have never messed with the battery compartment and the battery cover. Now, when I opened the hood, the battery cover was out of place, first of all. And the clip was not on top of the battery cover. The clip was actually beside the battery, down like almost under the battery already. And then I tried to grab it, and then it just fell all the way down there. It's still down there right now. But so then I'm like, I don't remember me doing anything to this battery, and my rugs in the back is still there, and the original broken intake is still there. So I'm guessing somebody broke into my car and they was trying to find something. So this is just another reminder that I really should get out of here, man. This is just ridiculous. I'm working long hours just to make ends meet, and save up so I can mechanically have this car ready for the Vador. And this happens, like setbacks, Now I have to go fix that trunk. I don't know what they did to the trunk because it's still not working. If you like this video, just give me a big thumbs up. And if you're new to this channel, please subscribe because that just tells YouTube that I'm doing a great job. Until next time, stay safe out there and stay blessed. Peace.